What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, you might be wondering, what's in the box?
What's in the box?
Well, today we're going to be doing a little unboxing video of the Hammer Performance 1275 kit for the Iron 883. Yep, that's right, I did it. I bought the upgrade kit. We're going to be upgrading the Iron 883 to a 1275. So today, I thought we'd do a little unboxing video to see what you get when you buy the Hammer Performance 1275 kit. Lay it out on the table here, see what we got, and then over the next few weeks I'm going to be doing the mod series where I upgrade the Iron 83 to the 1275 kit. And you know, like I've said before, I'm not a mechanic. I've never done this before. I'm learning as I go. So, you know, you'll be watching along with me as I figure it out. And you know, I might not be able to do it in one shot, but it might take me a few days. So stay tuned, and if you're new here, hit that like, comment, subscribe button, and hit that bell if you can, because that always helps.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Be good just to hold them down by your side, yeah.
All right, so let's get going. Let's unbox this, see what we got, and lay it all out. All right, so here we're at the bench, and the first thing out of the box is, of course, packing peanuts. Yep, everyone's favorite packing supply you have to get everywhere. Kind of a mess, but no, for real. The first thing out of the box is the invoice and packing slip. And this is the invoice packing slip for the standard 1275 upgrade. Now, I went for the standard upgrade. I didn't do anything of the more performance packages where it gets higher than 90 horsepower. Like there's a 100 horsepower kit, there's 110, 120, but those all require additional head work, and you have to send the heads in, have them ported, so forth and so on. It takes more time, and you can get more power out of it. But I ended up just going with the stock kit because the stock Iron 83 makes about 53 horsepower, about 51 foot-pounds of torque. And the dyno from Hammer shows the base 1275 kit on a late model 883 makes about 83 horsepower and about 88 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty good. And I'll put up the dyno chart that they place on their website. So you're looking at like a overall 35 horsepower increase, maybe even almost 40 in torque. It should be a decent enough upgrade and see a significant amount of power increase on the bike. All right, so let's see what else is in the box and check that out. All right, so the first thing is this Energy One clutch. So you get a clutch upgrade with the 1275 kit because with the extra power, you're gonna need to have a better clutch, and the stock clutch in the Iron 83 has the infamous grenade plate, which under higher stress and torque tends to explode. So they recommend replacing the clutch with this Energy One new clutch kit. So we'll put that in to the Iron 83 to help that out. And with the clutch kit, you get the clutch spring compression tool. This is just a tool that literally just compresses the spring tensioner on the clutch. It just makes it easier to get the clutch out when we're replacing the clutch. So I didn't have this. If you already have this tool, you don't need to get it, but I don't have it, so I opted to get it. If you already have a clutch upgraded on your bike, you don't need to get the Energy One. It's as long as you don't have the stock one. All right, next up out of the box is the DynoJet Power Vision. So Hammer recommends using the DynoJet Power Vision versus the Vance & Hines FP3. I already had the FP3 on the bike when I upgraded to the Bassani sweepers and the air cleaner when I did the Stage 1 kit upgrade. But they really do recommend the DynoJet Power Vision because it is easier to tune the bike with the Power Vision once the upgrade is completed. The FP3 is kind of a closed system where it's harder to go in and modify the maps. So I went ahead and opted for this as well. So this will be replacing the FP3. All right, next up is a gasket kit. You know, it says right here, not trash. Don't throw this away. It looks just like cardboard, but it is just a gasket kit that is wrapped in some cardboard so you don't get messed up in shipping. And you see here, it's just a gasket for the primary cover for when we do the clutch upgrade. So they recommend putting the gasket on once you replace the clutch. And speaking of gaskets, there's also a Cometic gasket kit for the top end. And these are all the gasket kits for the heads and everything else that goes on when we replace the jugs. All the new gaskets will get replaced when we do the upgrade. None of the old gaskets will get reused. So, gasket kit, another one. And so it's a box inside a box. This is what everyone wants to see. Yep, so here it is. The new jug and cylinder. And I opted to have the service where they gapped the rings and inserted the cylinder into the cylinder head here. So they did that for, I think it was pretty cheap, it's only like 40 bucks, but they go ahead and use all their tools that they have and pre-gapped the rings and got the cylinder, I don't know if you can see it in there, but they got the cylinder head in there and it's inside, and so when we go ahead and install it, we don't have to worry about gapping the rings and everything. So it makes it a little bit easier, especially when the tools I don't have. So hopefully, but this looks pretty nice. Went with the all black, keep the blacked out look, but they do offer it in silver and black with silver edges, but I'm gonna keep the all black look right here. Of course, here is the other one. And this one looks just as nice as the other one. So look at that, pretty large bore right there. It's gonna make all that extra nice horsepower right there. Well, there you have it, the 1275 kit unboxed. So we got everything out of the box and laid out, and I noticed that I am missing the 2 spark plugs that were supposed to come with the kit. It said I was supposed to get 2 new spark plugs, but they weren't in there, and I searched. I even checked under all those peanuts. But yeah, so I'll have to send an email to Hammer and see if I can get those sent back out. Anyways, I'll probably start here with the Energy One clutch kit. Put that in first. I think that's probably the easier part of the install. So I'll get that done in the mod series here coming up, so stay tuned. And if you're new here, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And if you want to hit that bell below right here, that'll let you know when the next video comes out. So thanks again for watching. Hope you're interested in watching this because I'm excited to get this started and see what this bike can do. So thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace.